park in Lower Macungie because I like to have a safe place for my dog to run around when she's not on a leash. She loves chasing other dogs and have them chase her. Plus, it makes her really tired at night.
You know, when dogs are born into the world, they have a genetic destiny, and whether that destiny is to retrieve the paper, protect the house, chase the rabbits, or point at the birds, they all have one thing in common, and that is they are social animals. They're pack animals. Now, if you take what I just said and substitute the word person for dog, we're social beings too. And a dog park is a great place for dogs to get off the couch, get their heart rates up, and get to interacting with other dogs. And the same for people. And that's why a dog park in Lower Macungie Township would be great.
The reason I got involved with the Lower Macungie Dog Park is so that we can create an environment that is both safe and fun for our pet friends, and also in a time frame that reflects the fact that our pets are here with us for such a short time. And so let's all get together and help build this dog park in the very near future.